if you're a guy and you're with your girlfriend and you have a coupe and a convertible pulls up at the light and you tell your girlfriend, yeah, I could have gotten the convertible or the Spider or the Roadster, but instead I got the coupe because it's more rigid, she's gonna think you're a wanker, for sure. Welcome to Driving Me Wild. I'm Ken Bahn, and today I'm taking my BMW in for service. Running just a little bit late for that appointment at the best BMW dealership in Los Angeles, Beverly Hills BMW. They've serviced 3 of my BMWs, and I have to say they are fantastic. I used to work there at one point, and interesting fact about Beverly Hills BMW, the #1 salesperson for BMW, her name is Nada Shiroki, #1 in the world, works at Beverly Hills BMW. She sells more BMWs than anyone, and she's fantastic. And she worked there when I worked there, and we've actually done multiple deals together selling BMWs. I know BMW cars inside and out. And if you're thinking about buying a BMW, they've had free scheduled maintenance for a number of years. And that's a game changer. To me, that's like no brainer. And even if you don't want to get a new BMW, you can get a certified, and you can get the same program. This is Lane. If you've been to drivingmewild.com, you've seen Lane drifting. You've seen Lane driving across the USA. You've seen Lane getting new livery, and so now Lane is going to get a simple oil change. I'm so excited. I think they might have the new 8 Series there. I haven't seen it yet. I've just been thinking about it. I want to get a used Ferrari California T. You can find those for $150,000. Which is about the same price as a nicely optioned brand new BMW 8 Series convertible. I like to get cars with maybe 15 to 30,000 miles on them. Some other schlub take that hit of depreciation, and I'll get it for half price. I even saw one of my favorite cars, built by BMW, but under the new mark that they've acquired, Rolls-Royce, is the Phantom Drophead Coupe. I think everyone who really experiences that car just appreciates how amazing it is. But I've driven it 3 or 4 times at Rolls-Royce events. The 3rd time I drove it, I found the window sticker in the glove box. $516,000 for that car. Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe, and it's huge. I think the front of it actually looks like Optimus Prime, but that's $516,000. I was so confused when I found that sticker. I was like, is this for a few of them? Is this for like a fleet purchase? But I found one for $299. That's like almost half price. So we're just gonna get a little service today, maybe look at some. Maybe we'll discuss coupe versus convertible. Always an interesting topic. We might as well start talking about it now. I actually this is a 4 Series convertible that I'm sitting in, 2015. I had for a brief stint a 2014 all-wheel drive BMW Coupe. And that was like the first BMW that I actually disliked. Did not like that car at all. This is the convertible, and I think the convertible 4 Series has come under attack. But if you actually own a coupe and a convertible 4 Series, the convertible is fine. It's a little more delicate. Some might say it's wobbly, but it's a convertible, and it's cool. The main reason why the convertible is better than the coupe is the back windows don't roll down in the coupe, and they do in the convertible. Here's their service. Just pulling in here. Now that we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the top. Here comes the guy. Hey, I'm bringing my car in for service. Oh yeah, Can I have like a couple minutes? Wow, they're really good here. And you can't do that with the Coupe. But anyways, the Coupe has these really annoying seatbelt things. Oh, it's brutal. It's absolutely brutal. You know, probably the number one reason why the convertible wins is it's more romantic, you know. And if you're old-fashioned like me and you're attracted to the opposite sex, if you're a guy and you're with your girlfriend and you have a coupe and the convertible pulls up at the light, and you tell your girlfriend, yeah, I could have gotten the convertible or the Spider or the Roadster, but instead I got the coupe because it's more rigid, she's gonna think you're a wanker, for sure. So I actually made these signs for my car. I'm gonna tape them to the window so they know not to wash it.
The reason I love this BMW in particular is it runs cool. It's always running cool. It's never been to the middle, and that gives me such peace of mind. Even if you leave the AC running for 45 minutes parked in a parking lot, this car runs cool. It is amazing. And with the styling I've done to it, it usually makes people happy. But back to the coupe versus convertible thing, the windows roll down with the key fob. So it's really easy to roll all the windows down, put bags in the back seat, and you can't do that with the coupe. In fact, the back seat in the coupe is really hard to access. And you can always put the top down to make it even easier to get things in and out. Here is a little bit of a ridiculous situation, but I think you can certainly appreciate in a pinch how utilitarian this is and getting people in and out, even just detailing the car. Convertible, 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 convertible is the verdict.
So I'm a very happy camper. My BMW is all freshly serviced, ready for the weekend. So we will now venture out to the showroom. Getting a little bit more technical, now with the top down and the roof is over the rear wheels, I've lowered the car's center of gravity and the windows are down. I think this car drives better than the coupe, and I think it handles better, and there's no blind spot, so I can drive super aggressive and everyone sees me, but hey, it's fun. So anyone who says the coupes are better than the convertibles, may I suggest having a little more fun? Can I do that? Please check out my website, filmtvken.com. You can see all of the film and television projects that I'm a part of and that I'm working on. As we venture into the dealership here, I am sensing the new 8 Series with its 523 horsepower, 4.4 liter V8 engine. My, what big kidneys you have. Sitting behind the wheel, noticing the lovely interior. It has a cool crystal gear knob. I'm surprised BMW did that, but I think everyone likes it. And it's nice to sit in a convertible because it always stays cool and you can make phone calls and be productive. This one even has a nice back seat. And a feature I use almost all the time when I drive my car is the heated steering wheel, and this one has the button for it right up front, which makes it easy. So I'm sitting in the seat of the M850i convertible, and this car is definitely making me happy. I'm sitting in the back of the 8 Series convertible. As you can see, it's pretty tight, but it's pretty comfortable back here. We have little baby headrests. And to discuss more about the convertibles, just sitting in that back seat, I realized the back seats of the M850i are really comfortable compared to the Ferrari California T. Those back seats are brutal. Here we have the Z, which is actually a 2-seat sports car. I have one of these, a slightly older one, and I'm ready. I like the 2+2 or the 4-seater convertibles. It just makes the car a little bit more convenient, really for bags and stuff, but people in a pinch. This one has some cup holders, a pass-through for skis, if you want to take it skiing or something. Yay, I got my baby back. Boy, nothing beats cruising with the top down in Southern California. Everywhere you go, it's heaven on earth. Woohoo!